Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make YouTube channel banner and how to fix. So let's start. Before start, please subscribe to my channel and press notification bell for my upcoming video. So let's start friends. uh, Now this you can make your banner by use Android mobile, and also if you have laptop or computer you can edit, but I will show you how can we make this banner by using Android mobile. So for this process you have to download first of all in your mobile Pixel Lab. Okay, such type of screen you can see the image Pixel Lab. So go in Play Store, then type here Pixel Lab. Then you will see this screen, and from here you can install. After install, go back, open your Google, then type here then you have to type here YouTube channel art template, then search. After search you will see such type of screen, select same like this one. Okay, then download in your mobile. Okay, download finish, then go back, open your Pixel Lab, go back. After open your Pixel Labs, such type of screen will be appear in front of you. Then go such type of three dots. Okay, click here. You will see here image size option. Click on image size. Then here select YouTube channel banner. Okay, there is so many options, but select YouTube channel banner. After then this type of size will be automatically come. Then click OK. Now see it's automatically adjust. Now here you have to bring your downloaded picture. So click here plus icons, then from gallery. So I bring this one here. Okay, it asks if you want to crop or whatever. If you want to crop, but this time no need to crop, it's good. Okay, so click here. You can see right color options. So okay, make big. So same this one, first double click, then you can make big from here. Yes. Okay friends, after then you have to go here, because this is the for layer working. Whatever you have layer you can see from here. Okay, so go to here, then lock your layer. So there is four options. First for layer lock, second editing, then third this one downside, for hide, and last one for delete if you want to delete. Okay, and this is for back your app. So I'm going to lock this because I don't want to editing in this picture, that's why. And from same option you can go back. Okay, if you want to hide this section, go again. So I'm going to click here again. After then click outside any place. Okay, then you will see here yes, now you will see here option shapes. You have to find out shape option, and you can click here, you can get shape option. Okay, so from click here this option you can get shape option. Okay, so I click here, then I get shapes. So then here again in this option go here, then select size, take third one. I'm going to take this one. Okay, then first make outside border. Okay, outside border, this types of border. If you want to put simple white, okay. If you want to give color, there is option downside, yellow, blue, red, whatever. So I put now red, or if you want to make gradient, it is also available, more color gradient. Okay, you can give any color from here. Okay, there is so many options. So now I am going to select only color. After click here, make this one correct. Then go same option for hide this layer, lock and hide. So you make outside layer. You can see here there is three box. One for this one, then another outside, and the last is big one, this one. There is three, one for tab, one for mobile, and one for our PC. So we need to create three box, and we have to add our all data in this small size box. Okay, our whatever we have, we will keep inside this one. Okay, so we make already one. Now I'm going to create another one. Same things, take another one, then I go here, okay, now you can see same. If you want to give here color, any color. Before I give red, now I will give yellow, then I make okay, and again I go this option, then I lock. Okay, because I don't want to work in this pixel. After then I'm going to take again new, again shapes option, select your desired shapes. Then I didn't make hide this one, I should be hide first. So from here I'm going to hide this one. Yes, now last I'm going to make okay, now finish. You want to give your color, any color. If you want to give blue, no problem. Okay, then also make lock this icon upside. Okay friends, so now we have three layer. You can see from here we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and one outside. If you want to create outside also, make one box for outside. It will be in whole yes. Okay, then give color from downside, red, yellow, pink, whatever you need. Okay, then put this one in back. Colors. Now you can delete this background image, no need. If you want to delete here, you can choose here and delete. Okay, now you will see we have 1, 2 and 3. You can see here we have 3 screen, and now you can bring, if you make already here any thumbnail or whatever, you can insert from here. So I have already, I make before, any size you can bring. So, okay, so I have to adjust this one in this small icon. If you have to reduce the size, make small and adjust here. Okay friend, then you can from here also close. Now you will see, and here you can if you want to write anything, or if you want to give any design, there is so many available. Example, this type of or any kinds of you want to keep here, like options, share options, whatever. Maybe your channel is related from music, you can put here music options, or you can put here your own image. So it's depend on you. Okay, After finish this all, go save these options up and export image, then save to gallery. Yes, now it's saved in your gallery. You can check from your gallery. You can see here it's available here. So this is our banner for YouTube. After finish this all, go back, open your YouTube channel. Then click your icons. Then again in your icons, your logo icon, you will see there is two options. There is such type of setting option available here. Click here. There is option for picture. Before I made, so I adjust this one. If I want to change, I can go from here. You can see here there is camera option. Okay, this is for your profile, your logo. You can add from here your logo. And the another thing, from this one you can add your banner. So if I made this one, I'm going to select here. Now it's big. You can, if you press this one, same like, it will come automatically fit in this banner. From here you can adjust little bit up and down, then save. So friends, now you can see in the back side I already fixed my new banner. So this is the procedure how we can fix our channel art. And same place, if you want to change your logo or if you want to put anything, so you can take from here and you can fix your logo also or your photo in your YouTube channels. I hope you like this my video. And if you did not subscribe still, please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.